Good afternoon. I'm Ann McInerney Ogle, Mayor for the City of Vancouver, and today is Friday, September 25th. Thank you to Alex and Seven Star, our American Sign Language interpreters today. My last update with you was quite some time ago. At that time, Governor Inslee issued a statewide pause on the Safe Start Washington phased reopening plan. And as Clark County has remained paused in phase 2, there hasn't been much new information to share. Today, I want to assure you that the city is still working with all of you, as well as sharing a few updates. The United States now has close to 6.9 million confirmed cases of COVID-19 and over 200,000 deaths. Here in the state, we have over 83,000 confirmed cases and over 2,000 deaths. And in Clark County, we have more than 2,600 cases and more than 60 deaths. Because COVID-19 cases continue to grow, the entire state of Washington remains on hold, meaning that no county may move forward to the next phase of the state's phased reopening plan at this time. And the choices each of us make now will help determine how soon our economy can fully open. We all need to work together to help slow and prevent the spread of the virus. And remember to keep your gatherings small, 5 or fewer. Mask up and keep your physical distance. A little good news now as we head into the holiday season. Last week, the governor updated guidance around permitted activities for agritourism businesses for counties in phase 2 and 3. Pumpkin patches, outdoor corn mazes, outdoor haunted houses, and Christmas tree farms are now allowed to operate provided they follow specific procedures, including limited attendance, physical distancing, and mask wearing. The governor also announced updated guidance for weddings and funerals, allowing receptions to resume as long as they meet specific requirements. Receptions and ceremonies must be capped at 30 individuals or 25% of the venue's occupancy, whichever is less. Please read the full guidelines for receptions in the governor's press release linked to the video description. For the City of Vancouver, current health and safety concerns and restrictions due to the virus requires city facilities and services to remain closed or on hold. But we're still here for you in many of the ways as we can be. And so while City Hall remains closed to the public, many of our services are available online or by phone. Our staff, except for public service and essential services, continue to work mostly from home, and progress continues on priority city projects. So sign up for our Vancouver Connects e-newsletter, follow us on social media, or visit our Be Heard Vancouver resident engagement website to stay in the know and to weigh in on key city projects. City Council and other public meetings continue to take place on GoToMeeting. It's a format similar to Zoom. The links for each meeting are on the city's website calendar, and you're welcome to attend virtually. Vancouver Parks and Recreation is now offering limited access to designated fitness areas at both Furstenberg and Marshall Community Centers as a result of the governor's recently issued update guidance on gyms and recreational facilities. The new 30-day Fit Pass is available, and it allows participants to reserve a time slot to practice. Available fitness areas vary by location, and each has been arranged to provide space for physical distancing through your workouts. Face coverings are required unless you're using the cardio equipment with exertion or when you're swimming over at Marshall Pool. The current status of city facilities and services, as well as various other resources, can be found on the city's website under the COVID website resource page. One other update I want to share with you is that over the next few weeks, you'll begin to see 5 different yard signs appear in some parks and business districts. Let me hold up a few of those for you. These were funded by the Federal CARES Act to help encourage neighbors, businesses, and visitors to stay positive, to remind all of us to continue to physical distance from each other and to wear a mask. The COVID-19 pandemic has been unprecedented, and unfortunately, so have the wildfires that have recently impacted our region. Our hearts go out to all of those affected by the fires, and some are still burning in our state and in our region. So thank you to all the firefighters, the first responders, and the volunteers who work tirelessly to contain the fires. The devastation has been indeed terrible for so many individuals and communities, but it's heartening to see that so many of our community members stepped in to help and support those that have been affected. 2020 has been a pretty tough year so far. And as we head into the fall and winter, public health experts are predicting continued challenges with COVID-19. But the Vancouver community is strong, and we will remain resilient. So stay strong, be kind to each other, stand together 6 feet apart, wear a mask, and whenever you're in public, please wash your hands often. We'll get through this together. Take good care of yourself, Vancouver. Stay strong.